Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, we're going to be going over how to create this pulsing animation. You'll notice we have a dark blue circle and then a lighter blue circle behind it that expands and fades away every couple seconds. We're going to be starting off in our app's root view controller class, which is this view controller. I've gone ahead and initialized this pulsing view class, which is the class we're going to be coding in, and I've added it to the view controller's view and constrained it to the center using AnchorKit. Looking at our pulsing view class, you'll notice we've already defined a few constants. One of them is a UI Bezier path, which will represent our pulsing view's circle. Another is this main color, which is of type CG color, and this will be our dark blue color. And then we have a pulsing color, which is the lighter blue color you see in the fading circle. First, we want to try to recreate the darker blue circle. What we're going to do is create a new private property, and we're going to call it main layer of type CA shape layer. And we need to set a few properties. One of them is the path. So to set this, we'll use our constant .bezier path .cg path. We also want to set our line width. We're going to set this to 30. We also want to set our stroke color to constant .main color. And then we want to set our fill color equal to UI color .clear .cg color. Then we're going to need to add our main layer to our pulsing views layer. So we're going to do layer.add sublayer main layer. And if we run the app now, you'll see we get our dark blue circle. Next, we're going to create our pulsing layer, and our pulsing layer is going to have basically all the same properties as our main layer minus the stroke color, and so we're going to use a private static function to avoid writing duplicated code. We're going to call this function circle layer, and it's going to take in a CG color, and it's going to return a CA shape layer. We're going to copy and paste a lot of this code in. We're going to rename main layer to be circle layer. And instead of setting our stroke color to be the main color, we're just going to set it to be color here. And now we can change our main layer to initialize using this static function and just pass in the constant .main color. Then for the pulsing layer, we can go ahead and copy and paste this and then change the name to pulsing layer. And then we can change the color to pulsing color. And then we'll need to add this layer. Now if we build our app, you'll notice we don't see any difference yet, and that's because we've put our pulsing layer behind the main layer. You'll remember that the pulsing animation is made up of two parts. One of them is the expanding animation, so we're first going to create that. This is going to be of type CA basic animation. And for the key path, we're going to specify transform.scale. The from value is going to be 1. Basically, we start at scale 1. And the to value is going to be 1.4. We're next going to use a CA animation group to group our expanding animation and then our future fading animation together. For the animations, we're going to add our expanding animation. And then we're going to specify the repeat count to be infinity. And then we're going to specify the duration to be 1.5. Now if we add our animation group to our pulsing layer, you'll see that the lighter blue circle expands, then disappears, and then repeats the animation over again. Now we're going to add the fading animation. So we're going to copy paste a lot of this expanding animation code. We're going to rename this to be fading animation. And for the key path, we're going to use opacity. We're going to start with value 1, basically the lighter blue circle is showing, and then we're going to go to value 0, which means the lighter blue circle disappears. We also want to add this animation to our animation group. And if we run our app, you'll see the lighter blue circle now expands and also fades as our animations describe. Okay everyone, that's it for this video. If you liked it or learned anything, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.